Alright, it is time for basement fire alarm test 27. Yeah, 27. It's been a little bit since I've shot one, so let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices. This test today was requested by Vintage Fire Alarm Guy, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the devices he requested. In the pull station spot, we have a Pyrotronics MS-51 single action conventional pull station. The notification appliance is this Wheelock HSR Exceeder. It's a little bit broken. That piece of tape has to be used to hold it onto the mounting bracket because it won't hold otherwise. It's on code 3 low volume. I have no sync running for this today, so it'll just be running. I don't know how well you can see that in there, but it's set on 1575 candela. I think we'll also do the smoke detector today because why not? So let's get started with this. Since it's a 2-wire device, there's no audible silence. We're going to reset the pull station now. This is pretty difficult to do one-handed. There it is. So as you just heard, that re-alarmed for some reason. Get this down all the way. Alright, now I'm going to activate the smoke detector. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.